Yo, welcome back to Gorilla Tag. What the hell? What? Grandma? This is not Gorilla Tag. This is a cat. So today we're gonna be playing I Am Cat VR. I played before. I'm doing the quest. I don't know how to open the so I'm just gonna be having fun in this video playing I Am Cat. I don't know how to open this. In the comments, someone tell me, please. That doesn't work, but before we start, what do we do? This is a pen attack. Butcher knife. A butcher knife. Come here. Give me this. This is why you should. Even I might have food there, but I don't like that type. Grandma! Hello? Time to use my knife. Cut off your head. Look at me, Grandma. Look at me. Say dummy. Booty. Grandma's booty. Come on me. Bam! Knocked out cold. Bam! Bam! Easy. Move, Grandma. So fat.
Open you.
20 drop kick. Crazy. I'm crazy. Now watch this. Come and get me.
You're getting far from me.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna give her. Yo, I like your cut, G. I admit. Let's go in here. Just go here. I'm just a normal cat. Grandma. I like your cut. Oh, wait. I like your cut, G. Oh. No. You know what? I'm going on top of here. Why do you... Bro, you do not... Oh. Bro got slapped into the oblivion. Now, I'm your new chiropractor. Oh! Ooh!
You're getting far from me.
Grandma, I need cookies. Oh! Open your mouth. Yeah. Give me cookies. Now I'll be your personal chiropractor. What the?
Open here.
Oh, yo. That's what I saw. What should we do next? Juked!
You're getting far from me.
Bro. You get... Where's my... Oh, there it is. Now, what we're gonna do is, someone tell me in the comments how to open this. I do not know how to open this. Well, make some quest. There. Okay. What's next? Oh, here. I know what it is. Here. Meow, 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 meow. Where'd I fall? Open the fridge. See what we got. Yeah. Can leave one in there. Can throw it there. Yeah, we can put it here. I forgot we can put it there. Oh yeah, we can do this. I can get used to this. Okay, let's do this. First, you heat up this. We don't have any oil right now. No! Put it there. Put it, heat it. Heat it, heat it. I usually want to. Hello? You done? Bam. Oh, it's in the microwave. Oh. Grandma? Want some? Oh, this grandma's so weak. Try to get hit with it home. Taste of your own medicine.
Here.
Come at me.
Zatraşka.
Can't get me. It's animal abuse, you know?
Zatraşka. Oh, поносил. Oh, поносил. Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah, okay. Attack on me. Oh, please, please.
Zatraşka.
Square up.
Okay, fine, joke for me.
Haha. You're gay. Silly sausages. Oh no. Silly sausages.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I'm used to. Who's this something?
Silly sausages. Whoosh. Oh. Okay, yeah, we need the chicken. It's our entire objective. Open this. Open. When you open it. Oh. No need a plate. Can I get that? Alright, did I do it? How do you, like, do you need a plate? Oh, we need the whole entire thing. Okay. So let's bring this plate here first. I broke the plate instead of using it. You wanna get knocked out cold? Oh, take that. Sleep on, huh? You wanna get up? I'm gonna give you another one of that. Please, bro. Damn! Get up, Grandma. Get up. Here we go. Please charge.
You'll get locked up for me.
Boom! So I'm scared of you? Ain't no way I'm scared of an old grandma.
You'll get
Oh my
locked
gosh!
for me.
Yeah, I guess I am scared of a grandma. Oof. Put one in my mouth. Put one here. Oh yeah. Where'd it go? No. Still need to cook that one. One there. Nope. Put one there. One here. Oh. Great. Whoa. I think this will still work. This is gourmet. Gourmet meat. Where's the rest? There is one of them. The movement of the game is trash, but the game itself is Sigma. I'm like a real cat. Here you go. Oh yeah. Destroyed. Can I funny run in this game? Am I like a horse? Move, Grandma. There's the last piece. She's coming for me. She did not notice. She's a dummy. I think this will work. Last piece goes on top. Okay, I guess there too. Easy. But I'm not eating that. Time to have fun with Grandma. Okay, actually, I have to turn these off. So loud. Huh. Grandma! Grandma! Grandma, please. Please feed me. I'm about to drop kick you. Damn! Straight in the table, straight in the table. Please. I'm sorry, Grandma.
Where's that rascal?
Drop kick! You. That's why you don't mess with me. Damn! Watch this. Bam! Yeah, Grandma's dead. She is dead from that.
Where's that rascal?
Oh, I'm stuck. The plant, it killed her. Bro, I'm knocking her out cold.
Where's that rascal?
I got touch again.
You'll get far from me.
Think? Wanna bet? Bet. Mas sick of Grandma. Oh, booty cheeks.
Say some lame.
Grandma. Grandma. You stop moaning. Grandma. Grandma. Easy. Let's go think I can't escape her. Nah, come here.
Open the shield.
Here you go again. Cat! You! Wanna go again?
You can't run for me.
I can't run for you? Sen? Good? Oh! Oh! Damn! Straight code! Oh! Hey! Get off me, you ugly woman! Cold!
Open the shield. You've got to for me.
BAM! Oh, I missed. Bam! I'm gonna split your mouth open. Surgery time. Okay, I'm not touching an old lady's mouth. It's probably filled with.
You can't run for me.
Yo, Cian, if you're watching this, or Ruan, if you're watching this. By the way, if you guys don't know what that is. 20 drop kick!
Open the shield.
Bro, straight in the legs. I'm gonna throw my poop at her, bro. Should I? Okay. Grandma, I'm very sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm not. What if I put like my poop inside her mouth? Open your mouth. I'm sorry. Ooh, suck! And make her eat a plant. Wanna go, old lady? Bam! Straight. Now get it straight, bro. Creep it. That's up. I'm gonna get more stuff you can eat.
You've got to for me.
Watch this. Nice cut, Grandma. Oh, I missed. Wait. Bam. Bam. Shing. She's gonna... She slapped me with a pan. Guys, I just got slapped with a pan by my grandma. My owner, I guess. You know, I'm force feeding this woman plants. Why do you have your glasses on? I say ah. I said ah. Dumma. Cat! No, she doesn't. By the power of the cat.
You can't run for me.
I'm gonna put this inside her mouth. She wants to do that. You wanna eat this, Grandma? It's stuck in the table. Shang! Olio. Eat this. Dentist Digest. Psh. I'm gonna run.
Zatroshka.
Oh! Bam! Uh-huh.
Zatroshka.
Please. I just hit myself.
You getting far from me.
Okay. That's better. Well, yes, I...
For vision.
What? No. Bam! Hey, buddy, dog. Look at me. That's what I saw. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hey, shoot. Please, I just hit you. That's what cats supposed to do. I'm a cat fool. This is animal abuse, Grandma.
Monsieur, you've got to for me.
Anyways, bye guys.